Now class third C. Class third C and lesson 8. We are studying GSC. Lesson 8. Lesson 8 matter. Matter, solids, liquids and gases. In this lesson we are studying worksheet 8. Worksheet 8. In worksheet 8 we are doing E. Answer the following. E. Answer the following. Answer the following, and this answer the following we have completed question first, second and third. Next, today we are studying give some properties of gases. Question 4. Some properties of gases are as. Gases are number 1 is gases have no definite shape. First property, gases have no definite shape. They like liquid. Like liquid, they take the shape of the container. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. In which they are kept. Next important feature is there. Gases can expand to occupy space. Second important feature. Gases can expand to occupy space. To occupy space. Examples. Example of gases, water vapor. You are familiar to the water vapor. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. These are the few examples of gases. So here gases have no definite shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are kept. Suppose you filled the gas in a football. Suppose you filled the gas in the football. The shape of the gas will be just like the football, rounded. In the same way, if you transfer this gas in a tube, its big shapes become just like the tube. So in this way, the shape of the air or the gases is indefinite, like liquid. Next, gases can expand to occupy this space. Suppose in a tube you are filling the gas, you fill only 1 pound of the air, then this will not only at the bottom of the vessel or bottom of the tube, but whole the area will be occupied by the air. Suppose this is a tube and you are filling the tube with the air. This is a tube or this is a football. This is a football and you are filling the air in the football. By this side you are filling the air into the football. Then air will enter inside the football, and if you are filling the very less amount of air, then this air will not be confined only these regions of the football, but this air is spread into the entire area of the football. There is no matter whether the gas is less or more. If a little amount of the air is filled, then this little amount of the air will spread to cover the entire area of the football. And if you are filling more amount of the air, this will also spread into the entire area of the football. So in this way, gases can expand to occupy the space. So these are the main two properties of the gases. Now in this same lesson, it is given to let us explore. Let us explore this activity. You can do at your own. What you have to do? Take 3 plastic bags. Take 3 plastic bags. Put a stone in the first plastic bag and seal it. 3 plastic bags you have to take. In the 1 plastic bag, you have to take the stones. Ask your classmate to press the bag. Try to bend some stones to change its shape. What happens? Take some stones in a polythene bag and ask your friend to press the stone. It may be possible? No, it may not be possible, because there is no change in the shape of the solid. So since stone is a solid, so there is no change in the shape of the stones. Put water in the second plastic bag. So second plastic bag you have to in one plastic bag take some stones in one plastic bag. Take some stones and ask your friends, these are the stones. So ask your friend to press so they can be, there is change in the shape. No, there is no change in the shape. Stones, so what will happen? No change in the shape. And second, put water in the second plastic bag and seal it. Ask your classmate to gently squeeze the bag of water. Does shape of water change? So in other bag, you take the water. So take the water. And ask your friend, this is the to press the bag containing water. Yes, it may be pressed, so shape is changed. Shape is changed by the pressing. And a third, blow air in the third plastic bag and seal it. Gently press the plastic bag. Does the shape of the air change? And in other bag, you have to pull the air and ask your friend to press. So you see that the shape of air is changed. Here shape of the air is changed and shape of water. Since matter filled with water, shape of water is changed and no change in the shape of stones. So this is the activity you can do yourself at your home. What materials are needed? You needed 3 plastic bags. And one plastic bag you keep some stones, other plastic bag you keep the water, and third plastic bag you fill the air and seal these 3 plastic bags. Now ask your friend to press the bags one by one. When your friend press the first bag containing the stones, there is no change in the shape of the stones. And other bag that contains the water, if your friend press the bag containing water, there is change in the shape of the water. And third plastic bag that contains the air, if your friend press the bag containing air, the shape of air is also changed. So in this way, we can see that the shape of the solid is constant, while the shape of liquids and the gases are not constant. They may be changed. Thank you. That's what we